Working in a coal mine, going on down, down. Working in a coal mine, so about to slip down. Working in a coal mine, going on down, down. Working in a coal mine, so about to slip down. 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm already up and gone. Lord, I'm so tired.
Alright, so you want to lift that screen up.
Yeah.
There you go. And then grab it from right here. You gotta apply a little bit of pressure.
Oh, I see. Oh, I'm picking the whole thing up?
No, just this. You just gotta pop it off.
Oh, okay. I
There you
wasn't
go.
sure.
And then slide it out.
Let me put this back.
And just flip it upside down there. So if you want, you could just pan that out just to make sure you're getting gold, so you don't have to do the rest of it.
That's what gold is, shining rocks.
I know,
Yep.
but...
Alright, then you just take that whole thing off and put it off to the side.
Oh, what about this thing?
That's fine. You can unhook it, or
There could be gold in there.
there is. Look at that. Gold
No, I
right
meant
there.
in this part. Let me see this. Okay. And then I'm going to use a look-see and make it go down there. Well,
No, so you do is just pop these up. Same thing. Yep. And then pop it. Yep. And then just slide it down into the pan.
oh, nice.
And then flip it upside down. And you could bend it a little bit. It bends. There you go. You could add some more water to the pan too. There you go. And then do the same thing with the other one. Just to the side.
Does it pop up here?
Yep. And then pull it straight out. Yep. I panned all this out separately before and I never found any gold, but it doesn't hurt.
I like how he painted it metallic.
Yeah, you get different colors too. So everything's 3D printed except for that's aluminum and then powder coated.